We guide you through how to transfer data from Android to Android. First, make sure both phones are fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Then on your new Android, open the setup screen and select Copy apps and data, or import data from old device. Next, on your old phone, enable the option to send data via Google account or use a cable if prompted. Select the types of data you want to transfer, such as contacts, photos, apps, messages, and settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan QR code or connect both devices via cable or Wi-Fi. Wait for the transfer process to complete, which may take several minutes depending on the amount of data. And once finished, check your new phone to ensure all selected data is present and correctly synced. Finally, sign in to your Google account, open essential apps, and verify login and enjoy your new device fully loaded with your previous data. Simple, fast, and seamless.